again. Did you hear them talking about Picasso? Some interesting things about him. They said he used to give only dogs to his friends. He used to give only dogs, and he used to eat Italian cake at Christmas. Now, this verb, used to, well, it's written U-S-E-D, but the pronunciation is used, and we'll see that on the screen later. And we use it to talk about habits that people have had in the past and now don't have anymore. And to illustrate this, I have some examples of habits that I have had in the past. For example, this. This is a cigarette. Well, I used to smoke. Now that means that I did smoke in the past, but I don't smoke anymore. I stopped the habit. I used to smoke, okay? Look at this, tennis racket, haha. I used to play tennis. I was quite good, actually. I used to play tennis, but then I stopped. I didn't have enough time, too much work. You know how it is. This, now look at this, look at this. This is fur. I used to wear this. In England, it's a fur. You know, F-U-R, this. I used to wear it in England, but then I stopped because now in England people spit at you if you wear fur. So that is a habit I have definitely stopped. Now these are vitamins. Now, I didn't used to take vitamins in the past. I didn't used to, but then my mother, you know, my mother's fantastic. She explained how useful they can be, so now I do, but in the past I didn't used to. And this opera, yeah, another thing, opera. I didn't used to listen to opera, but now I just love it. So I listen to it a lot. Okay, so there were some examples for you of used to. Let's go and look at the different forms on the board now. So, when we speak about habits that we had in the past and we don't have now, we use used to. Look at the spelling. It's U-S-E-D and then T-O. But the pronunciation is not used, it's used. Unusual. Used. Okay? So the example is, I used to smoke. And that's for all the subject forms. I used to, you used to, he used to, she used to, we used to, they used to. Okay? So I used to smoke. I used to play tennis. I used to wear fur. Okay? Pronunciation, used. Now, in the negative, we use the auxiliary did. So I didn't use. Notice we take off the D because it's the infinitive. I didn't used to take vitamins, and I didn't used to listen to the opera. And the question form is easy. It's, did you used to do a lot of sports? Did you used to stay in bed until midday? I remember that. So if you think about your lives and about habits that you had in the past and you don't have now, when you talk about those to people, that's what you use. I used to smoke, but I don't anymore. I used to play tennis, but now I'm too busy. All right, so very important for describing past habits, used to. Great. That's the lesson for now, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.